Let's transform this tiny room into a functional and stylish bedroom for twin boys. This small bedroom posed a unique challenge. The conventional layout of a bed, wardrobe, and study table crammed into a narrow space made it hard to access essential areas. Seeing this, the father decided to remodel the space with the help of a professional architect, even selling his son's toys to make it happen. First, we installed a digital door lock for added privacy. Next, the wardrobe was moved against the wall, and a plywood partition was added to separate bulky quilts in the corner. Below, we added a clothes hanger and dedicated space for everyday essentials. On the side, shelves were built to store toys and bags. The study unit was extended to provide ample workspace for both boys, with drawers to keep everything organized. Behind the unit, storage shelves were added to house potted plants, manga comics, school books, and even shoes. For easy access to the bed, wooden steps were installed, which also double as storage units for winter quilts and other items. The bed frame was crafted from galvanized steel pipes, borrowing screws from the kids' old toys, and covered with wooden plywood. A soft mattress and cushion headboard were added for comfort, along with guardrails for safety. Upper cabinets near the bed now store bed covers and pillowcases for quick access. Finally, a blackboard was installed to track exam dates and school activities. With these thoughtful changes, the boys' once cramped room is now fully functional and totally awesome. What do you think of this transformation? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves creative room designs, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring transformations.